Good morning, everyone. I have some really exciting news for all of us. I have new markers to write with on the board. Thank the Lord, because my marker situation was really bad. So now, hopefully you guys can see better what I'm writing on the board instead of having to squint and for me having to scribble and all those things. So, praise the Lord for new markers. Today's lesson. What was that? That was a tiger. Tiger here. What? How was there a tiger here? How? Okay. This is not good. This is really bad. Okay? But I'm gonna go see if I can find this tiger. Please help me. Call 911, something. This could get bad. I'm actually too scared to go out and look. So, if you need me, I'll just be stuck here the whole day. And the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Because I'm not leaving. Alright, I'm gonna go look. Okay, it's probably gonna like jump out and eat me. Where are you, tiger, 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 tiger? Come here, tiger, tiger, tiger. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, snap! He's right there. He's right down there. Oh, snap. He looks terrifying. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this door. What was that? That was an elephant. Are you serious? Oh, there's an elephant on top of my car. It's gonna squash my car. Thanks, elephant. And I'm stuck here with elephant on this side and a tiger on the other side. This is a bad day. I'm probably gonna be stuck here. So please send help. Rescue me from the tiger and the lion. Please. Otherwise your teacher's gonna die. Alright, well, I guess I'll try to teach you guys math with a tiger on one side and an elephant on the other side. Anyways, today we are learning about writing numbers in scientific notation. And there's 3 steps that we always follow, that we can always do to write our numbers in scientific notation. And if we do those 3 steps correctly, we're gonna get our answer right. So they have the 3 steps in your book, but I want you guys to look up here to the video so you guys can watch me go through it. Our first step is we're gonna move our decimal point till there's only one non-zero digit to the left of it, all right? So remember, in our whole numbers, our decimal point is always understood to be right here. It's just our understood decimal points right there. So our first step is move our decimal point till there is only one non-zero. That means it can't be a 0. One non-zero digit to the left. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So there's only one non-zero, or 1 is not a 0, one non-zero digit to the left of our decimal point. Now we're going to drop the extra zeros. Did that. Now, notice in step number 3, we have to multiply by power of 10 that shows how many places you moved your decimal point. For large whole numbers, so this was a large whole number, right? 14 billion. Use positive exponents. For decimals, use negatives. So here, now all we have to do, we have 1 4/10. So we've dropped all of our zeros. Now we're gonna multiply it by the 10 and then the number of times we moved our decimal point, which would have been 10 as well. So we have just wrote this number in scientific notation. 14 billion, we wrote it just like this, how we would write it in scientific notation, all right? Let's do another one. All right, notice we have a very large decimal number here. So our decimal point is right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but right here is our decimal. Here's our 0. So move our decimal point till there's only one non-zero digit. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 9, right? So here's our decimal point. It's gonna go right here where there's one non-zero digit. And we're gonna drop all of our zeros. So we're gonna go. So now we simply have this number right here. And then if you were listening, we had 9, we moved our decimal point 9 places. So we're gonna take this times 10, and notice it was a decimal, so we need to use, for decimals, use a negative exponent. So it's not just going to be 9, otherwise our answer would be way wrong. It's going to be exponent with negative 9, okay? So I want you guys to do this one in your book. Write this number in scientific notation. Right here, 56. No, all right, go ahead and write that number, write this number down in your math book and then convert it over to scientific notation. Go ahead and actually pause the video while you do it. All right, now that you're finished, so our decimal point is understood to be right here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Moving our decimal point 7 places, we're dropping our extra 0. Placing our decimal point right here. 5, 5.6 times 10 to the 7th power. All right? That is how you write numbers in scientific notation. Just follow these 3 steps and you'll be all set. For your We Remember, you guys have a fairly easy lesson in those stars. And that is all for your lesson today. I will see you guys later. Unless that guy decides to eat me, then I might not see you guys again. Hopefully that doesn't happen. See ya.